welcome back on this first alert weather day. So we have issued a first alert weather day for some of our counties all the way through tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Those counties include Ontonagon, Alger, Luce, and northern Schoolcraft counties. Here's what's happening. We have that heavy lake effect snow that will develop throughout the day in those counties, and those counties are under winter storm warnings because of it. We will have high accumulations in those areas and some hazardous travel conditions, which is why we've issued that first alert weather day for those counties that you can see here are under winter storm warnings in pink. There are also some winter weather advisories in the west. Those continue through 7 p.m. today. So this is what you can expect. I said a high risk for some snow-covered roads throughout the day in those areas. Winds will have ranges gusting 25 to 35 miles per hour. Now, it's not high winds, but they're strong enough with this fine powdery type of snow that we will have very poor visibility at times if you are near Lake Superior, and potentially at times, occasionally, whiteout conditions. So be mindful of that. Plan accordingly. Here's the hour by hour. Now I'm first alerting you to the potential of a very prominent band of lake effect snow forming by about midday in eastern Alger County between Munising and Grand Marais. So if your travel plans take you there, this one would be rather dicey as compared to some of the other ones. But the lake effect band's continuing to expand across the western areas also throughout the afternoon, extending into the evening. This is 6:30. Continuing overnight tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow throughout the day we'll notice the intensity start to taper off, so the alerts will be expired. They'll get canceled tomorrow morning. However, the pattern's still active, so we will still have some lake effect snow continuing Tuesday night, extending into Wednesday morning across portions of the UP near the north along Lake Superior. Snowfall you can expect within those counties to have ranges of easily 4 to 6 inches. The higher elevation spots higher, but also within the more prominent bands of lake effect snow that yield more heavy intensities. Amounts could push anywhere from around 7 to 9 inches to near a foot of snow. Now this goes through tomorrow morning. But watch as I put this into motion, extending through tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Some amounts with the additional lake effect snow could eventually push in excess of about a foot to about 1.5 feet of snow in some of those eastern areas. This morning, we've seen some clearer spots across the interior locations of the UP. Here's what's happening and the reason why we're going to have that heavy lake effect snow forming for some areas. We have this surface trough that's right overhead. This is also combined with this closed off area of low pressure in the jet stream that's spinning north of the UP. And as it tracks east, we have a tighter pressure gradient, that wind flow out of the northwest, that colder air moving over Lake Superior, all of which combined yield that lake effect snow to be heavy, and also that colder than normal air mass that lingers for most of the week. So wind chill readings in the teens to 20s below zero for today. And as far as temperatures, below normal still, and that normal is 25. You can expect single numbers and a few low teens across the east, potentially near Lake Michigan as well. Here's your 7-day forecast. Still staying active with more lake effect snow through Wednesday. This entire week will be below normal, and we start to tap into more seasonal ranges for temperatures by the weekend.